Welcome to Laravel training, and in this video you are going to learn CRUD operation in Laravel. CRUD is actually the short form of create, read, update and delete. So through this video I am going to show you that how you can create, update and delete in Laravel. So there are a few steps which you need to follow. The first step is install a new project. So let me show you how to install a new project of Laravel. So this is official website of Laravel where the installation process is given. So I've opened this one and let's write this code into CMD or command prompt. So let me open the CMD. So C drive, you can put this anywhere in your computer. It doesn't have to be in C drive only. So for convenience purpose I am putting this in my C drive. So CD, I'm putting this inside my XAMPP folder. But it doesn't have to, it is not necessary that your Laravel project has to be in this XAMPP only. It's not necessary, you can put it anywhere. So CD htdocs, then MD students. So my project name I'm going to create is students, or there is no need to actually put here. So simply then let's create a project. Composer, create project, Laravel blog. Yes. So the folder name is blog, so I'm changing it to students. And okay, now let's press enter. Now the installation has started. Remember, you need to first install this composer. In our previous video I have shown you that how you can install this composer. Once the composer is installed, only then you will be able to run this command, or else it will show you that composer is not in internal or external command. So it's compulsory that you have already installed this composer. While it's still downloading, let me show you that where it's coming. Let's go to htdocs folder and then check here, students folder. Yeah, this folder has been created and all these files is being downloaded from internet. So the dependency files are still downloading. Okay, so now successfully installed. Now cd students to enter into that directory, cd students, and then to run this, to start the server, php artisan serve, php artisan serve. Now press php artisan So okay, so our development server has started. Now let's copy this one and let's go to the browser. Let's open a new browser here. Then okay, so this is the first screen after this installation of Laravel. Now let's go to this and source and views, and this is the blade file. If you want to make changes, you want to see, then from here you can change it. Okay, therefore has it. You can see this is the file. So that's it in this video, the installation section. Now we will follow the next step. So we have completed the step number 1, this one. We have completed this section, right? And the next one is open PHPMyAdmin and create a new database called students. Open PHPMyAdmin and then create a new database called students. So let's open PHPMyAdmin. So my PHPMyAdmin is already open here. So let me check if student table exists or not. No, it doesn't have. So let me click here, database, then students, and then create. Okay, so this student database is created. So we have completed the step number 2. So that's it in this video. In the next video we will continue the step number 3. So thanks for watching.